Hey guys, Sandra here, and today I want to talk about Udemy. Udemy is a great traffic source. It's a paid traffic source to use with your Power Lead system or whatever opportunity that you are involved in. And I'm just going to explain a little bit about it. This is going to be a short video. Okay, that's me, and here is the quick start. The tutorial how to buy a solo ad. You have how to buy a solo ad here, and how to make money as an affiliate. Now, as an affiliate with Udemy, you are able to earn 15% from all their orders, okay, as a free affiliate, right? So that's a good way, a second way to make money with Udemy. But here is where you can find sellers. And okay, for instance, here's so you have to take your time and look through all of these people, find the one that you feel comfortable with, and try to find more than one. You should have at least 5 to 10 sellers that you rotate with to buy leads from. So here is okay, so here is the price per lead. So this is 45 cents. So that's the price per lead that they're charging you. So here you can put $2 max. You can put whatever amount you're willing to pay for the leads. So you can put in 40, 45, 50. If you put 50 cents per lead, it doesn't change. Okay, let's say you put in 80% per lead. It'll show you that they have 37 sellers that have that for you. If you put 95 cents per lead, it show you the 37 sellers you can click, and it shows up here the people that you can use for these leads. Also, here is these are the sellers who have guaranteed sales for customers on that people that got sales. So you want to at least click here and have 50%, because you want a seller that can guarantee you some sales. Like here, he has well, there's no guarantee to this, but he has a rating of 57% of people who have gotten sales from him. Okay. This one has a rating of 55% of sellers. This one has 81%. That's pretty good. 81% of sellers that have gotten sales from him. And so that's pretty good. This one is 61%. So look for those things. Also, there is no guarantee of sales. You will probably just get leads. You may not get sales. And it depends on how good your funnel is and your offer, and you have to make it enticing, for people to want to buy. You can ask them too if you want to. You can email them and ask them, do they think that your offer will be good enough for their list, and they'll let you know if it is or isn't, if you don't think it's good enough. So don't get upset if you just get just leads and you don't get any sales, because even if you get leads, that's good, because those leads are yours and you can now email them your offers, okay? And it's still a chance that they would upgrade, all right? Now this one here, he has over 1K successful, let me go back to that one. He has over 1K successful solo ads, quality responsive lists, fresh leads added every day. So, as we saw before, he has 57% of his the people that buy from him got sales. He has a 20% of repeat buyers, and this is the average time it takes for him to accept a new order. These are his ratings from people who have bought from him. And you can read his description here if you was interested in him. Now, if you wanted to buy, let's say you wanted to buy 300 clicks, and they're 49 cents per click, right? So at 49 cents per click, let's say you wanted to buy 300 clicks, that would be $150, and all you have to do is put in your link right here, okay? And then you can also add a text, but they have their own way of getting to their leads, and if you're new, you don't really know what to say, so just put in your link, and you can pay with PayPal or either your debit or credit card, I guess a credit card there. And if you wanted to buy only 200 clicks, it would be $101. So do what you can afford, okay? Don't break your bank. Do what you can afford. And it's best to, like I say, get more than one person to buy from, because you'll be exposed to more people, and the more people you're exposed to, the more people that will buy from you. Okay, and don't break the bank. And then if you could afford it, I would buy maybe at least 200 links, 200 clicks, or so, maybe every week or every 2 weeks if you can afford it. But don't do it if it's gonna, break you. And so so then you can go back here and go through this list to find out. This is the find sellers. This one is for solo deals. Some of them have a deal, like he has 35 cents a click here, 44 cents a click, 49, 44. Okay, so they have some deals here. So go through this, and see which ones are the best. But as far as I would go for, I would look for someone who has at least a 50% got sales rate. And for the repeat buyers, you can also put there, if you want, at least 30%, so you can get make sure you're getting a top quality person. So only one seller showed up here for that. He has a 73% got sales rating, which is pretty good. Or you can put in 25%, and then you'll get more. You get more people here. 25% is not bad. This one is an 80% got sales rating. Not so bad. So look through this. You can sort it by price, by ratings, by sales. Here you can sort by ratings. Okay, 100% ratings, which most is 100%. Ratings, 50% ratings. Okay, you can sort by ratings. Promoted always at the top. And to start within, if you want your leads to start coming in immediately or in 24 hours, in 3 days, you can set that up there. What niche that you're setting it for, your leads, marketing, finance, health. So this is a great way to make to get leads for your Power Lead system and whatever else business opportunity you're in. And it's a great way to make extra income as an affiliate, because you can give this out excuse me, to your list, and they will end up buying from you, buying solo ads from you as well. Leads from you as well through Udemy. So that's it for today. I want to thank you for watching, and you have a good day. And remember, you must hustle. Be sure to subscribe and like the channel. Subscribe and hit that bell for more notifications to let you know when I am uplifting a new video. Excuse me. Thank you. Have a good day.